Did you know that Helvetia shares the same history as Omega? Let me know in the comments what you know about this connection. Today, I'm showcasing a rare find, the Helvetia Prima. The secret behind this piece is its swan neck micro-regulator on the balance wheel, a high engineering detail built for extreme accuracy. I scored this treasure in an eBay auction, and while it needs a deep clean, it's a true masterpiece of Swiss mechanics. Stick around to discover the history of this legend, and don't forget to subscribe for more vintage finds like this one. The Helvetia Watch Company was registered in 1892 by Louis Brandt and Frere, the same company that later created Omega SA. In 1895, part of the production moved to a new firm called Société de Horologerie La Générale, later known as General Watch Co., which focused on manufacturing watches under the Helvetia name. During the early 20th century, Helvetia gained a reputation for producing robust and precise mechanical watches designed for reliability and resistance to shock and moisture. The company developed several technical solutions to improve durability and performance. During World War II, Helvetia produced military watches used by several armed forces, including pocket watches marked GSTP, General Service Trade Pattern, for the British Army. These watches served as practical instruments for military and railway coordination. After the war, Helvetia continued producing mechanical watches for civilian and military use. Like many Swiss manufacturers, the brand lost prominence during the quartz crisis of the 1970s.